Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I just wanted to share with everyone the add-ons that I got in the Make a Drop shop. And I got quite a haul this time. Here it is. It's overflowing from this box. It did come in multiple orders, so I was waiting until all of it got here to go ahead and make a video. So I did quite a bit of shopping this time around. I don't know. I think I got something crazy like 5 orders. Outrageous. I couldn't stop. I really did enjoy the sale that they had. Let's go ahead and see. The first thing I got was this boxycharm brush cleaning machine. Yes. Look at this. It comes with interchangeable brush heads, cleaning device things, and okay, this is something you have to like build and put together. This is something you have to assemble. So I'm not going to take all of that out right now. But I really thought that was something cool and hopefully will save me some time. And next up is this makeup eraser. It's a 7-day set. And it's so cute to me because it comes in a little suitcase like packaging. And I've been needing to get some more of these. So I do like how they have on the back thing to put your fingers in just to make it easier for when you clean your face. They are smaller than what I expected them to be, but that's okay. I still definitely will get some use out of these. Always excited to add some more eco-friendly makeup removers. Next up is a Earth Harbor Siren Silk, and it's a multitasking hydrating cream. It has sea retinol and herbs in it. Got this because I realized I do have a few moisturizers on my desk, but I don't have a whole lot in my backup drawer, so I wanted to kind of get some more extra ones. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the spa in a jar. And it definitely it's a thicker cream. And this is what the jar looks like. It is glass. Oh, that lotion just feels so good. It makes you feel hydrated but not greasy. I'm excited that I got this one, and I don't think it was that much money, and I was actually thinking about going back and getting the other ones that they had too by Earth Harbor, the other moisturizers, because I really do enjoy that. That felt really good. And next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I had to get this because we got it in our boxycharm a couple months ago. It has been my favorite brow product, so I definitely wanted to have a backup one. And when I seen the price that they were selling for how much they normally always are, I had to get one. What makes me really like this one is the size and the shape of the way this brow pencil is. It just is a really good eyebrow pencil. So now I have a backup one of that. And then I really wanted to try, because I've been getting into masks and a lot more skincare lately. So this is from Sand and Sky Australian Apple Super Bounce Mask. And the reason I was so intrigued in this mask was that it comes with a little brush. Oh, I love the packaging on that. That is just neat. I was looking for one of these. It's a silicone, almost like a spatula. I really wanted like some kind of applicator to put on some of my mask instead of just using my fingers all the time. So I was really interested in this mask because it came with something to do that. And this is the size of the mask. It is in a nice heavy container. It looks expensive. It feels expensive, which it makes me excited to get stuff like that. But anyways, okay, it does not really smell like apples, but this is the consistency inside. It almost looks like a thick cream or lotion. I'm excited to use this. Let me see. How do you use this? Spread a thick layer on clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Let the mask sit for 10 minutes and rinse off with warm water. It's for most skin types. Okay. So that is cool. Oh, and it even comes with like a little book inside of here. I bet this was expensive. I'm looking forward to trying that out. Next up, I got the Herbivore Jasmine Green Tea Jasmine Water Balancing Toner. And I don't really have a lot of toners. So I went ahead and I picked this up. I do like that it's in a spray, and I'm loving it even more now that I got it because it's in a glass bottle. I love things that look nice on the vanity. Anything to help decorate or enhance the way my stuff looks, I'm all for it. And then I could not help myself from getting the Ditto palette from the boxycharm a couple months ago. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the bubble wrap. I was a little bit jealous I did not get this. So when I seen it for sale and for the price that they had it for, I went ahead and picked it up. It's supposed to have highlighters in here. Let me see. It is so amazing. It looks even better in person. It's almost like the planets, the solar system. So pretty. The different textures in here. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of this and I'll be right back. Absolutely stunning. Very beautiful colors. Wow, look at those. Love it. Let's see what else I got. I'm just so excited. I might be going through a little bit quick. I'm excited to see everything in here and show everything to you. And there actually is a lot. And we don't want the video to be too crazy long. So sorry if it seems like I'm rushing a little bit. Next up, I could not resist this, is the Ofra On The Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. This puppy was on sale for $19, and on the Ofra website, it's on sale for $99. So this was a must-have for me. 100%. This is the whole reason why I went to the sale in the first place, was because of these bronzers and highlighters. I just thought this is the most beautiful palette. Let's take this plastic covering off, that I've ever seen in my own personal opinion. But wow, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to dive into this one, and this, I can already tell this is going to be one of my favorite things. So there's that one. And then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Holiday Lip Gloss set. And I've never really tried any of her lip glosses before. I think I have one of her lipsticks. So I was definitely all for it. I think it was only like $7 and you get 4 of them. Let's see. This one is calling my name. My lips are, I was wearing lip gloss anyways, so. Ooh, that feels really nice on my lips. I like that. Definitely worth the $7. This was a really good sale. At least I think it was. Was anybody else disappointed, or did you feel like it was a really good sale? Let me know down below in the comments. And then I got a bunch of sponge gels. I'm not going to show them all to you because I think it would take forever. I don't know how many I got, but it was like a bunch. So I did get some for myself, and then I got some for my husband because they were on sale for only $3, and you really can't beat that. They're good for multiple uses. So those were some of mine. And then my husband got a couple of the men's ones. I got 2 of these unicorn body butters. They were on sale for only $4. Normally $20. I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to try that. But for $4, definitely. And I loved the lip balms. So they sent out those pineapple haze lip balms. And it's the winter time. So it came to me not melted like the one in the summertime did. So beautiful. It looks like colored whipped cream in there. I just, look at that. Oh. Okay, I'm definitely going to put a little bit of this on. I want to see what this is all about. It feels like a similar consistency as the body, or as the lip butter that they sent out. It is definitely a thicker cream, but it is the winter time. Well, it is a butter. It's not a cream or a lotion. It's a butter. So I got to remember that. Oh, it smells really good. I think this is... Oh, wait a second. This is not from the same brand. This is not Truly. But either way, I am excited to try. I thought it was the brand Truly for some reason. Anyways, I'm still looking forward to that. It just looks so pretty to me. It smells good. It feels good on my skin. I did get 2 of those. One for now, and then I always like to have a backup product of products that I like or think that I'll love. Next up is this Coral palette from Natasha Denona. This is the outside packaging. It's so shiny and fun. It's almost like a rose gold color. It's coming off more like, I don't know. I guess you can kind of see it on camera. But this is the palette. I can't wait to add this too because I have a magnetic Z palette that these are actually magnetic and you can take them out and put them in a Z palette. And I have all my Natasha Denonas inside of there, and so can't wait to add them with my other ones. I'm going to do a couple quick swatches of this and I'll be right back. Wow. Natasha Denona has some really good eyeshadows. They're one of my favorite brands. The pigment was really nice, swatched really well. I love them. I'm not going to say they're anything but great. So that's that. Then I got this Herbivore. Oh, that's the same brand as that Jasmine toner spray that I got. And also like a popular brand right now. And I got the Bright and Instant Glow Mask. I got this because it's a pineapple mask and it sounds fun. I love pineapple and tropical fruit smells. So for me, it was no question. And packaging, again, for me is a big thing. I love the glass. It makes it seem definitely more high-end. Ooh, I was not expecting that. It's very liquidy. So just be careful when you open it to make sure it's up correctly so you don't spill it everywhere. It does. I don't really smell pineapple. Maybe a little bit. But maybe it's just one of the ingredients. Oh, and this also comes with a little spoon to get it out with. Let's see. It says apply a thin layer to clean skin. A slight tingly sensation is normal. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. It says some setting will naturally occur. No need to stir. Okay. Well, that's good to know because I did notice it was like the consistency was a little bit different, but I'm okay with that. I like trying new things and we'll see how I like it. Next up is from 111 Skin. It's a hyaluronic acid booster. Okay, so a lot of my friends know that 111 Skin is my favorite skincare brand. They are very high end and their quality of their products is absolutely amazing. The smell and everything is right up my alley. Hyaluronic acid is actually really good for helping your skin to absorb moisturizer better and also to help prevent those fine lines and wrinkles. So definitely something, if you're not already using, that you might want to add to your skincare routine. Also, sometimes it helps to prevent against acne as well. Okay, and the next item I got was from this Symbiosis London, and it's an overnight rejuvenating eye serum. I was getting low on eye serum, so I saw this one and figured to pick it up and try it. And good, it's in the same kind of squeeze container that I like my other one is. The other one I'm using is Perlice, the Blue Lotus eye serum. It actually works really well. Then I got this Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. I saw Glam with Suzanne unbox this, and the consistency of this just looked really fun. Oh, it smells like menthol, which I don't know, a lot of people won't like, but I actually really like it. It's really good for clearing my sinuses. It does have that menthol-y smell to it for sure. Man, I do. I like it. I feel like it's something I would have in my diffuser, but I'm definitely excited to try this out. I wonder how it dries on your skin, because you know how like clay mask and other ones like dry on there, or maybe this dries to like a jelly. I will let everyone know when I get this tried out what the consistency dries like on the skin. And last but not least, you know I got another one, the Kate Exfoliate Hydrating Lotion. I needed to have more in my backup, and this is one that I know and love. I needed to have one in my backup, and since this is one that I know and love, you know I had to pick it up. And this is a really good cream. It almost has like a lemony citrusy smell to it, and it's supposed to do a lot of things. It's supposed to improve pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for a dewy, refreshing look. So very good positive description on there. And Kate Somerville is one of my other favorite skincare brands. So that's everything that I picked up in the add-on sale. Let me know what you all picked up. Put it in the comments down below. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.